What if you could turn your social media accounts into free money? I know that sounds crazy, which is why most people aren't doing this, but a few people are, and that's what I want to show you how to do, how to get started with this today. In other words, this is an AI affiliate marketing tutorial. We're going to be using bots to make money while you do whatever you want. So if that sounds good, make sure you stick around for the next 10 minutes. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and what I want you to know before we get started is I'm a regular person just like you. Here you can see I used to work for UPS. I spent like 70 hours a week driving one of those brown trucks around delivering packages in Baltimore City, and I didn't love it. It was hard work, but now doing what I'm going to show you in this video, I have no boss, no schedule. I only spend a few hours per day working, and I generally make more money working less time than I ever have before. So I want to ask you, what would your life look like a year from now if you started automating your income with AI today? So in this video, what I want to show you is how to set up an automated system that runs 24/7 without you having to get on camera, without having to do complicated video editing, and most importantly, without having to spend hours online. In other words, we're going to make money clicking buttons. If that sounds good, go ahead and drop a yes in the comments so I know that you're with me. But this isn't about me, this is about you and how you can get started with this. So you can see here what other people have had to say. No one's teaching this stuff with AI, good stuff. Joe says that he bought one of my courses several years ago and it was 100% the best actionable content of any course he's purchased. And it goes on, right? But so how much can you earn with this? Well, I'll just be frank with you. You might just earn 48 cents from a single sale. So you can see 17 hours ago I had this sale come in for 48 cents. Not very impressive, right? So it depends on what you sell with this. I've also had sales come through where I've made $998 in commissions from a single sale. And most importantly, what I want you to understand is that all of these sales come through while I'm doing whatever I want. My wife and I converted a school bus into an RV and have spent the past couple years traveling around the country. Right now we're in Colorado. You can see here some of the red mountains. We've been seeing waterfalls, going fishing, doing all kinds of stuff. And what I'm going to show you in this video is what has allowed us this lifestyle of traveling and spending time in nature. And it's kind of opposite of technology, right? I like spending time in nature and I use technology to allow me to do that. So that's what we're going to do here. I have the exact steps. Let's not waste any more time. How to get free money from social media. So like I said, comment yes on this video if you let robots make you extra money every month, because that's what I'm going to show you here. So obviously the first step is finding something that will pay you for promoting it. Obviously, you can't make money if you don't have anything to sell. But don't worry, you don't need to make anything. We're actually going to be selling other people's products, or in other words, AI is going to be selling other people's products. So the first step, if you don't have anything to promote, is to head to copythelist.com. Once you get to copythelist.com, all you have to do is click one of these green buttons, and you can either copy my list of tools to your Google Sheets, or you can download it directly to your device, whatever you want to do. But here is the spreadsheet. And what this is a spreadsheet I've created of all of the most popular marketing, automation, and AI tools that I've found that will pay you for promoting them, literally just for sharing a link. You see here, all you need to do is click the link, register as an affiliate, and then share your link where interested people will click. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So there's AI video tools, AI funnel tools, AI writers, all kinds of AI voice cloning, all kinds of stuff on here. And if you're not into AI or marketing, that's okay. If you scroll down here, you'll find a few affiliate networks for products, and these are going to allow you to promote pretty much anything under the sun, from physical products to different services, doctors, lawyers, all that kind of stuff is in these affiliate networks down here. But whatever you want to promote, it doesn't matter. You can promote one of these different offers. You can promote several of them. I promote probably over a dozen of these tools on this list, and that's how I'm able to make money around the clock with this stuff. So that's the first step. Find something that will pay you for promoting it. And you don't have to pay to do this. All you have to do, like I said, is click on one of these links, give them your email address and your payment method, right? So they know how to pay you. Most of these pay out with PayPal. Um, But anyways, you just sign up. It takes about 5 minutes to sign up to become an affiliate, and then you are done with step one. You've found something to promote. So step two is then going to be to redirect your affiliate link to a catchy domain name. In other words, your own website. So to do that, I use a website called Namecheap, but wherever you want to buy your domains is fine. I like Namecheap because it's just what it says. It's cheap. It's generally like less than $10 a domain. So you're going to find a website that's easy to remember and then go ahead and buy it for 10 or 12 bucks for a year. Now, the reason you want to do that, if we look here, is because affiliate links are genuinely ugly. It's usually just a bunch of letters and numbers. So instead of having to send somebody a link that they can't remember, we're going to register a catchy domain name. For example, a few of mine are profitpassively.com, oneclickvids.com, automatereels.com. They're all things that are super easy to remember and describe what the tool I'm promoting does. So that's what you're going to do, is set up a catchy URL. So step two is pretty obvious, right? You just buy a website and then redirect it to your affiliate link. If you don't know exactly how to do that, I do have a tutorial. I'll tell you more about that later in the video. But I just kind of want to get through this so you understand exactly how this works so you can get started with it. So step three is going to be to create an opt-in and an automated follow-up sequence using AI. So the tool I use to do this, to build the back end of this, you can find at Funnels Forever. So it's actually called Go High Level, but here's the thing. If you go straight to gohighlevel.com, you'll see they offer a 14-day free trial. But if you use my affiliate link, funnelsforever.com, I'll let you have a 30-day free trial. So that's the benefit of using my link. Now, of course, if you sign up and you end up paying for this after the 30-day free trial, I earn money, and I really appreciate you for that. But if not, just go ahead and cancel before the 30 days. It's up to you. But the bottom line is 30 days is better than 14 days. It's over double the length, so you might as well use my link at funnelsforever.com. But anyways, this is the tool I use. They have a lot of templates in here, which make it super easy to click a few buttons, and in about 5 minutes have one of these pages set up. This is like what one of these looks like, right? A place where somebody put their name and email and click submit. That's it. They have templates in here. It takes about maybe 10 minutes to set one of these up. So you go ahead and set up an opt-in page. Now I'll show you why that's important. So we're going to create an opt-in, and then after that we're going to create an automated email sequence using AI. So if we look at this, here's the setup, and then over here is a diagram of how this runs. So for the setup, like I said, we're going to start by buying a catchy domain name, a catchy URL, and on that website we're going to set up an opt-in page. So the reason we want to set up an opt-in page is because once somebody puts their email into this box, we can then use automation to send them emails on autopilot, and we can use AI to generate these emails, so it really doesn't take long at all. So somewhere here I had well, we can just start a new one. I can say something as simple as write me a 30-day email sequence that promotes Go High Level, right? One single sentence, and that's it, right? Ideally, you want to use a better prompt. You want to give this some more context, maybe tell it a bit about who your audience is and what you're trying to do. But here we go with a one-sentence prompt. Here we go, absolutely 30. Here's a 30-day email sequence designed to promote Go High Level. So email one, tired of piecing together marketing tools? Hey, I know what it's like to feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of marketing platforms out there. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to Go High Level, the all-in-one platform designed to streamline your agency's operations. Imagine having your CRM, email marketing, SMS, landing pages, funnels, reputation management, and more all in one place. Curious? Stay tuned. Right? So here's email 2, email 3, email 4, and it goes on and on, right? It stopped at email 5, but I could just tell this to continue, and look at that. In less than 2 minutes, we already have like 7, 8, 9, 10 emails ready to copy and paste into our automated email sequence here. It's that simple. We're just clicking buttons, right? There's really no thinking to this, no brains at all. You just tell the AI what you want, it creates it, and then you copy and paste it into your system at funnelsforever.com, aka Go High Level. So if we look at the steps here, That's step 3, is to create an opt-in and automated follow-up sequence using AI. So creating the opt-in is going to take you between 5 and 15 minutes if you use one of the pre-made templates. Creating one of these automated follow-up sequences is going to take you another 15 minutes, maybe a half an hour. However long it's going to take you to copy and paste 30 emails, that's how long it's going to take, right? Ideally, you should be able to do that in less than an hour. So then the next step is to create content. And I like to use videos because they get by far the most reach out of any content that I've created. People love short form videos, reels, shorts, TikTok videos. And of course, you could do this manually and you might actually get better results if you record videos manually, if you film yourself or you film the product or whatever. But there's a really easy way to do that, and that's using oneclickvids.com. So if you head over to oneclickvids.com, this tool is actually called Syllabi. But like I said, I'm trying to lead by example. So here is what that looks like when you set up a redirect. So I have oneclickvids.com. I bought this website for $12 a year here at Namecheap. I bought oneclickvids.com. And so now what happens is if you come to oneclickvids.com, it redirects to my affiliate link. So now you can see it's syllabi.io via James. That means I referred this click and there's a free trial. So like I said, you can do all of this for free. You just come up here to free tools and talking AI photos, and this will let you turn any photo into an AI video. But beyond that, if you actually sign up and pay for this tool, it has a lot more powerful AI video generator, so you can create some actually really creative AI videos in as little as like 3 to 5 minutes each. So again, 3 to 5 minutes per video. You spend an hour doing that and you'll have 15, 20, 30 videos that you can use for this process. So if we look here on the diagram, that's the next step, is to create AI videos. And you want to create a bunch of them. So I have these little squares here represent videos. I drew 6, but say you create 30. The next step is to then put these AI videos into a scheduler. In other words, we want to schedule them out in advance. Now to do that, I use a tool that you can find at automatereels.com, and it does exactly what it says. It automates your reels. So if I come over here to automatereels.com, you'll see this tool is called Radar. And again, if I hit enter on this URL, automatereels.com, you'll see it redirects to my Radar affiliate link. So this is how I earn money, by getting people to sign up for these other tools. And they virtually pay for themselves, because even though I have to pay for these tools monthly, other people see how easy it is to use them. They sign up and pay, and now suddenly I'm earning money. Instead of spending money on these tools, I'm actually earning money from these tools every month. And that's how you can literally get free money from social media. Now, of course, there's a little asterisk by free. This requires a little bit of work, like maybe 2 or 3 hours worth of work. You have to actually do what I'm showing you here and set this up. But check out how powerful this is. That's it, we're done. Literally 5 steps. It's only 4 steps if you already have something to promote, or once you've signed up to promote something, then it's literally only 4 steps. So here's what this looks like running. We have the scheduler up here, right? So once you put your 30 videos that you created in an hour or 2 using AI, right? You created these AI videos, so you put them into this scheduler, and then you can walk away. You can do what I do and go on a hike, or go fishing, or go camping, or go to the bar, or go to a concert, or go to your basement and play video games. You can literally do whatever you want to do, because this scheduler is going to post videos every day. And it's not just going to post these videos every day. You can automate these videos to all of your different accounts. So I like to post mine to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Now there's a lot more platforms that this tool integrates with. If you look down here, it integrates with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, Google Maps, WordPress, Telegram, and a bunch more. This syncs with TikTok as well. But anyway, so you have your videos in this calendar, and then every day they're going to go ahead and post to 1 to as many accounts as you want, right? I usually post to between 7 to 10 different accounts per day. So these videos get posted, and then what happens is people watch the videos and they come to your opt-in page. Now, if you've done this right, you're going to be getting several hundred or several thousand views per platform per day. Now, out of those 100 or 1,000 views, ideally you're going to want a handful of people to come over and opt into your opt-in page. That means they're going to put their email address in this box to get more information. So as soon as they do that, they're going to get sent to your affiliate link. This is the link that makes you money. Now the thing is, it generally takes people between 5 to 7 times of seeing a product advertised before they actually go ahead and buy it, which means they're going to look at this link and they're probably going to leave. That's most likely what's going to happen. But that's okay, because now we have their email address, so we have automated emails that bring them back to this link on a daily basis. So tomorrow they're going to get an email bringing them back, and then maybe they will bounce again, right? And then the next day they get an email, they check it out, they say, maybe not today, maybe rent's due, maybe they had an emergency and just don't have the money, so they bounce again. But that's okay, because now they're going to get another email every day for the next month. And if you set up 30 of these, in other words, a month's worth of these automated emails, and the average it takes somebody to see something before they buy it is, say, 7 times, well, you're well beyond that. So there's a very good chance of actually making a sale and earning money. And guess what? All of this happened on autopilot from a couple hours worth of work that you did one time. So that's literally how people are getting free money from social media. Hopefully I've cleared this up so that you can make sense of it. If not, I have a full course that walks you through this step by step and pretty much just shows you what to click on each one of these tools. And that is at profitpassively.com/AI. So again, here's how this works. You just select a high converting offer to promote, you generate viral videos, you put them into a scheduler, and then you convert those video views into an email list that you own. Again, that's with the opt-in page. And then you're going to use AI generated emails to actually sell the product on autopilot. It's literally that simple, and for less than the cost of a decent lunch, you can get my full course that shows you exactly how to do it at profitpassively.com/AI. Now, if you don't have a single cent to spend on getting started, that's okay. I got you. I have condensed the course into a step-by-step checklist. It's just a Google sheet that shows you step 1, step 2, step 3, and that's completely free, and it's just at the homepage of my website, profitpassively.com. So we just take the AI off the end of there. You come to profitpassively.com. All you got to do is put your email into this box, and you can instantly get my free checklist that walks you through this entire process in more detail. So I hope that helps. If it did, be sure to click like on this video. It takes me quite a bit of time to make these videos. It only takes you a split second to go ahead and click that thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below. If you want to see what I get up to when I'm not making these tutorials and creating AI content online, if you want to see more what I do outside of marketing, then go ahead and follow me on Instagram. That's pretty much the only place where I post non-marketing related content. I just post pictures of the cool stuff I'm doing. So that's James Jernigan AI on Instagram. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI affiliate marketing tutorial.